6x48" belt sander. It works. Now I just have to get a proper motor for it so I can install the motor under here and bring the belt down to here properly. Right now I have it plugged into my table saw. 2 horsepower motor right there, so getting a ton of power. It's good. Works. The sound on her, for now, it's good enough, I think. Lots of fun building Matthias Wendel's Woodgears projects. Built that one. I've also built the 14-inch bandsaw I have over here. Built a 16-inch bandsaw too one time, but I really needed a sander because mine broke down and the parts are impossible to get to fix it. So I decided to build my own, and well, looks like it works.